So remember, when it's time to express yourself, tap into that self-loving calmness and leave the attitude and the anger at the door. Just step into your power. You're going to be like a ninja of communication, just striking with grace and precision. And if it's not getting through, it's okay. Just reach into your pocket, throw a smoke bomb, poof, and then just kind of disappear when no one's looking. And just walk away. Just leave the narcissist over there. Sorry, no narcissistic zoo for you. It's time to take control of our emotions and just rise above all that negativity. We're not going to stoop down to the narcissistic level. No, we're going to stay right here in our own positive energy. And from this empowered state, we're going to speak our minds with clarity and conviction. When you speak your truth from like a matter-of-fact tone, your words, they just kind of flow through you from a place of like confidence and strong self-esteem. It's like dropping truth bombs, but wrapping them in a blanket of self-love that no narcissistic power of influence or guilt or shame can ever deny the impact or the power of your messages. So here's the beautiful thing, recovery survivors. When you communicate from this powerful state, narcissistic arguments start to just vanish like in thin air. And what ends up happening is you're no longer fueling the narcissistic fire. No. Instead, what you're doing is you're creating this calm awareness in the midst of all this narcissistic chaos.